As a designer, I am a proactive researcher. I like to work in different fields and to experiment with new materials. For me, as a designer, the important thing is to create something that actually can be used and that is not only a piece of art. So for my master project, I'm designing a bunk bed for the alpine hut that can be brought up on shoulder in 3 backpacks, and it can be mounted without any use of tools. I really like my profession, and actually every day I wake up and I think I could in any case have fun. I will have fun actually. Just doing my work is a privilege.